Not all consoles look the same, but are very basic items which are present in every console. In this lesson, we will discuss the lights and different buttons on the console. In my console, you can see that the buttons are on the top, but on most consoles, they are on the front. Over here, we have the on-off button and the restart or reboot button, which are discussed earlier. We also have the hard disk light, which flashes on and off while the hard drive is in use. The hard drive is the drive which contains all the data in your computer. Next we have the various drives, which includes the CD-ROM, which looks like a music CD or video CD. Then over here we have the floppy drive, where you can insert your floppy. Then there are the expansion slots, where we can insert extra drives such as the zip drive or even a CD burner.